What up, Emu? Destroy player X pause, player Y pause, instant save data. That is crazy. A little too crazy. A little too convenient for you. I don't know if I buy your story. Just a little sus is all. Oh, there's nothing loading my... Wait, yeah, there is. Huh? Huh? Yeah, I'm feeling great. We've gotten so much done. Pretty crazy. We've got this little placeholder overworld where you can walk from machine to machine and it saves your money at each one. Got persistent credits, baby. And which game is this? Check out Blackjack. Spent 2,000. Boom. Check out the animations. We haven't done too many new cheating mechanics yet. Still thinking that through. I've just been focused on doing overworld stuff. It's leveling now and stuff. Let me go to roulette. Why does it do that? It's supposed to be loading. Where the player loads. Check this out. Got a wheel now. A placeholder wheel. I can't take responsibility for the wheel though, that was all Jesse. The camera pan to it is me. What up, Martin? What up, Hunter? Check it out. Got a menu. Got items. The bonus game item. The monkey's paw for the cheat spin. Will there be flirting and relationship building mechanics? Probably. I don't know about with the dealies themselves, though. I need to fix this bug. Okay, that worked. Okay, that worked. Why does it only work half the time? Okay, that's weird. So it doesn't work for blackjack. It doesn't work for roulette. No, it does work for blackjack. It works about half the time. I'm trying to fix and have it load at the spot where you went to the game. Gems of Gambler, indeed. No, don't worry. When you run out of money, you can just work the part-time job. There's no such thing as being, or take a loan. On awake, transformed opposition. Get float player X pause. Player Y pause. That should work. Maybe if I move it to the start. Okay, check. I think all the games except for the cheating mechanics are all done now. Okay, moving it to start fixed it. Nope. Figure out why that works half the time. Yeah. Oh, it's because the player's an instance now, I think. Do I want the player to be an instance? The last 20% takes 80% of the work. I could see that being true. I could see that being very true. V true, V true. Looking at my whiteboard. And apparently video poker is next. Video Paker. That's a good idea, Kinetic. reference the player instance anywhere. Must be in game menu. Wait, does player get destroyed when I go to another scene? Let's check it out, guys. There shouldn't be 2 player infos. Check out all the stuff we can fix. I mean, we can get rid of. Boom, boom. Boom. Boom, boom. Sounds. Integrate framework or rebuild? That's the question. I'm definitely going to Vegas. I should bring a sound recorder. But not a video recorder, because what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Okay. Why does this work half the time? Is it? Okay, I need to fix this player info. Yeah, these are all placeholders for the overworld. But this is hypothetically like a casino. And right now we have it so there's persistent credits through each game, and there's leveling now. The leveling is super like in flux, but each of these is a different game you can go to. That's fucked up. I thought I put something in player info to avoid this. No, I didn't. Wait, no, I did. Find objects with tag. Player info. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, I know what I did wrong. has tag, player info has tag, player info has tag. Okay, never mind. I did do it right. Oh. What is wrong with you, game? It's because it's don't destroy unload. But that should be running beforehand. How did I do this? In another project. Yes, that's the code I want. I can get rid of this. Yes. Okay, what do I do today? I got so much done yesterday, it's crazy. And just this week. Been going fucking hard in the paint. Okay, so the way I'm doing this clearly isn't working. It's just clearly not working. So we need to change things up. Is it autosave? That's the file that saves my yes. On destroy, if player, what does that mean? If player equals true, player x pause, public player. I don't know what they use for no pixel. It'd be interesting to see like their code base. They go crazy on that server. They do like super complex stuff. Costs $1,000 to run a month. Jeez. That's crazy. Taxi. Have you looked into scriptable objects for saving data? No. I probably should though. I've just been using all player prefs. Player prefs. Maybe on destroy isn't the best thing to do. Doesn't always save. Okay. I'll worry about this later. It's not fun. Let's look at Video Paker. I've looked at this many times and I still don't quite get it, but that's exactly what's gonna happen. Jesse? I wonder if this is worth looking at. Jesse, please. Help me. You know, I don't even know what to do right now. Let me look at my Google Doc. Oh, fuck, I just closed it. Simple management, story and quest, customizability, space stats, leveling, money. Is there another casino game I could make? No, I want to do Video Poker. I really have to try and look at this and understand it. Hand table, card game, object, card, player data, poker game, deal, card deck, shuffle. It's like the card deck script, huh? This is the same shuffling function we use for blackjack. Let's see where they store money. I think I can just implement this and not be too worried about the way it looks right now, or as long as it accepts our credits, I think that's all I should worry about right now. What's up, Chips? Oh, here we go. Player data. Credits constants game. Constants. Constants. Player data credits equals some mono behavior. No. Constants game starting game credits. It's 150. Okay. Can I add player prefs here? Must be constant. I actually have no idea what a constant even is. This is where I learn how to code. I guess I do know what a constant is, but I don't know how it makes sense in this context. So what's he complaining about here? The expression being assigned to must be constant. It kind of is constant though. This makes me want to buy another. There's another video poker framework that I might buy. Does it have to be a constant? What happens if I do this? What happens if I do this? Object references. Oh. Can't do that then. So the game right now is trying to like start at 150 every time, no matter what. An object reference is required for the. So I think it's looking for a constant. What if I just say fuck it and do it here? Can you declare a player prefs? Let's take a look. Else credits equals player prefs. Oh, wait, what? Player pref helper? What's player prefs helper? I'm just curious about all of this. Just get rid of all of this and then just mangle this code. Who gives a fuck? I might not even use it. It's at 3:45. That just might be because let's take a look. Where is he getting that number from? This is the wrong place to learn coding. I can't even read this. They told me this would be easy to extend. Okay, let's see. Credits. Check this out. Now it's gonna work. I just want Video Paker, dude. Oh, there it is. I got it. But let's take a look at this. So this is all script-based UI, I believe. I do believe. It's all generated in the script. Hi, Tristan. Hi. Hey. Wait, 90,835 is my actual amount of credits, right? Let's go load the world and check it out. Hierarchy's all fucked. 90,835. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Now let's make it so it tracks I mean, it sets the end for when we end the scene. Which might be in the same script. Initialize poker game. Listen, I know my cookies are arriving today, Amazon. I don't need you to remind me every 2 minutes. Give me a fucking break. What if this isn't a thing like that. No. Poker game instance. This code was written by someone so much smarter than me. Oh, core, I think, is where I want to be. Player pref helper. Have you guys seen the Amazon News account? It's fucking crazy. The Amazon News Twitter. It's the most insane Twitter I've seen for like the biggest company, one of the biggest companies in the world. Yeah. They're just like arguing with people and like yelling at politicians. It's the most insane shit. They're tweeting dumb shit like they tweeted at Bernie Sanders like, if you think minimum wage should be $15, why is minimum wage $11 in Vermont? It's like, that's not how politics work. He's not a state senator. It's fucking bananas. It's just a propaganda wing for Amazon. What am I doing? Where can I set on destroy? Is that even good practice? Writes all modified preferences to disk. Maybe I should be doing that in my other thing. Amazon.cam. They're a monolith, dude. Goatee? What do you mean? Should I have a goatee? No, I don't want goatee. Okay. Card deck. I would like to understand this. So this starts an instance of the entire shit. Initialize. Load title screen. Start game coroutine. Maybe I can add an on destroy here. Player prefs. dot set int credits equals, where were our credits stored? Where is P stored? Does anyone know? Player data. I agree with you, Aeon Soul. I agree with that quote. $98.30. We also need to make sure this exit button does something. I could just play video poker all day. Or video paker as the kids call it. Should I? I'm tempted to buy a different video poker kit, or I could just keep trying to figure out this one, but this seems like it'd be way easier to use. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Bovada's slots payouts are lower than the average slot because they have no competition in the US. And slots are just designed to make you lose money anyway. They're not they're the least favorable casino game to you. spot is based. Let me tell you something, they're definitely not based. They're cringe. All these consts. I'm gonna read this later for sure. And I'm stuck today. I genuinely don't know what to work on. Yeah, we got the wheel. We got it. We got it. It's pretty cool too. Let's go to it. Got different chips now. It's pretty pog. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna do it. Deleting video poker jacks are better. Rest in peace. Now we're gonna try another framework. Just from looking at the hierarchy of this one, it should be much easier to extend. This is our last shot at it. Let me buy an Among Us framework. Are there any video poker packs? Yeah, that's what I'm buying. I think this one is set up more easily to be, or to be extended more easily. Video Poker Starter Kit. Here it is, y'all. The moment of truth. Shrink, that's exactly why I'm not in that section. I don't want people coming in like that. Wait. I'd rather just have my viewers. Maybe someday when I'm a Unity god. By the end of this project, I'll be so good at Unity. I'm looking forward to it. Ruh-roh. I can just get rid of beach days. Alright, let's take a look at Video Poker Kit. Is this a 3D scene? Take a look at this. How do you max bet? This is better too because we can sub in our cards. Simpleton's making some dope cards. The other one had like dynamically generated cards. Oh shit. This auto holds for you, which is cool too. You can just spam the shit out of it. Usually 15 to 30 bucks for like small asset packs, but like my slots framework was like 80 bucks. It was pretty expensive. But they save you so much time if they're good. Wait, what? That's 3 of a kind. Broken game. Want to become famous? I don't want to become famous, in fact. Straight flush. Alright, let's look at the code. Please be simpler. Oh yeah, this already looks much better. Oh yeah. This is already more. And look at the comments too. It's decipherable, y'all. Wait, slots, credits, and namespace. What's player credit? This is how you're supposed to do frameworks. Shouldn't be the case. Start you should get. There must be something in this script. Scripts. Wait, how come isn't getting my credits? I think it's getting my credits, but it's not updating the text. There are Oreo cereal. I remember getting Oreos as a child and hating them. Hated them. They were disgusting. They weren't when I was 8 years old. Check results isn't just a check results function, thank God. Okay, what about the UI? Fonts. Prefabs, bet one zone card. Pay table. Sprites. Table. How come these weren't showing up in the actual scene? Yeah, I like that they give you 3 different templates too. But where's the... Oh, it's right here. It's just fucked up. Oh, it's loading the balance now. Just as I thought. It just needs to change bet. You need to go once. This is already simpler than the other scripts. Poggers. I really like the the auto hold feature too. Oh shit. It's only 250? Wait, these odds are all fucked up. You should get way more than 2,500 for a royal flush. We're gonna have to fuck with these pay tables. Disgusting. Yes. That's ugly, get rid of that. This is what I like. I'm a simple man. I don't want everything dynamically generated. I want shit just laid out in the inspector. Do these have scripts on them? Sorting layer, order, and script. That's simple enough. Multipliers. Bet one zone. What's that mean? Bet zone. Bet value 1, selection 2, 3. Oh, okay. So that sets the multiplier. Get rid of that banner as well. Look more at the scripts. Those are mine. Pay table. You can set the multipliers here. God, this is so much better. Sorting layers, dude. That's simple. Sounds manager, win message. What's the lobby? Launches the different templates. Let's look at the hand evaluator. Oh, where's the deck? Is there a deck? Cards manager. I want to figure out how we can cheat this. Oof. Sounds terrible. Okay, so shouldn't Royal Flush be 2,500 times? Is there a place where I can find video poker? Video poker odds. Damn, the odds are even worse on this one I'm looking at. Damn, what the fuck? Video poker trying to rob you, dude. The odds here are even more favorable than... Actually, not for 4 of a kind. 4 of a kind should be... Wait, no. It's right. Wait, no, it's not right. Wait. Yeah, it's right. Damn, these are more favorable odds than the normal video poker. That's crazy. Okay. So I know that now. I know that. All right, Jesse agreed to look through this with me later, so I'm gonna move on to something else. But this is way more extendable, and I'm happy about that. Let's take a look at our slot machine. Let's take a look at our slot machine. So yesterday, I made it so you can set your item. Wait, this is supposed to close the window, but see, I did cheat, set to bonus game item, bonus comes up. Did that last night in like a trance. Now let's make it so that it consumes an item upon use. Who's with me? Let's do this thing. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Cheat. Instantiate to minigame object. Game object dot transform. Player info dot instance dot remove item. String item to remove monkey's paw. I think it's as simple as that. I thought this was going to take a while. Let's add something cool to where like it flashes like a something on screen before the minigame instantiates. Alright, let's try this out. First off, we have 10 bonus game items. Okay. So we should have 9 now? Yes, okay, it works. Bang! Is there like a pause function for the slot? Slot dot... No. That was simple enough. Don't want that. I don't want symmetry at all, actually. You never want to activate shatter. That's a big mistake. Let's go 4. I wonder what my If my ancestors are looking down from heaven watching this stream and what they think about my game. Bet they think it rips ass. In a positive way. Oops. Yeah, they all know how to code now. Spent so much time in heaven. Well, some of them are probably in hell. You can't be too sure. Ready? No. Get. Oh, that looks cool. Having to rewrite Yandere Sim. I think that'd be pretty sick. How come he doesn't do coding streams? He would get fucking brutalized. Can you even imagine? I feel kind of bad for him now that I say that. Oops, what did I do there? Get ready. Get ready. He was making a prototype. Pog. I've been drinking a lot of water lately. Big mistake. I fuck with Yandere Simulator. Or I fuck with Yandere Dev. That guy's my fucking boy. Oops. You guys hear the sawing outside? pretty lit. Maybe that get should be more centered. Get ready. Okay. Okay, I'm back at it. Damn Daniel. You guys remember Damn Daniel? No, you remember. What's your take on the Suez Canal? Can't read. Blocking. I think it's good. Fuck that canal, dude. I don't give a shit about the canal. It can burn for all I care. It's time to load in Get Ready. Get ready. Maybe this should be on the canvas. Add UI image. Actually, no, it'd be kind of dope if it pans in through the thing. Atop the icons. Hey, just make another canal. Get your shovel out and dig it up. Oh shit, guys, we're gonna have a special guest. Here to decipher video poker. Well, I gotta This is a pleasant noise to hear, isn't it? Yeah, Torque Dom's gonna help me with video poker. Okay. GitHub. GitHub. Compare and pull request. Create pull request. Merge pull request. Ready. Ready to pull. A second. I'm gonna get coffee.
Yeah, hello.
Hello?
Hey,
Hey, what's going on?
walking around your room there.
I got some coffee.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
All right, I'm opened.
You ready to implement video poker?
Yeah,
This
I'm
library
ready.
is it looks way more extendable than the last one.
Is this video poker kit?
Yeah.
Cool.
You'd probably
I guess
understand the
I'll.
last one, but it was kind of fucked. It was like all
Gotcha.
dynamically generated, the cards and stuff, so we wouldn't even be able to use Simpleton's cards.
Gotcha. What scene are you working out of? Or are you
Uh,
just reading files right now?
I'm right now. I was just messing with the slot,
Okay, cool.
but let's. Should we make a new scene?
I guess so. I'm trying to figure out if there's like a prefab or something we can pull into a new scene that has the game working already.
Oh yeah, there is. There's 3 templates.
Ah,
I think
cool.
template 3 arcade is the closest to what we would be looking for.
Gotcha. Yeah. Yeah. If you want to create a scene, I can just start looking at scripts.
For sure.
Bet zone.
They commented out pretty much everything too, so it's pretty solid.
Okay. To define a pay table zone that holds all the prizes. Okay, I don't think that's what I need. Let's see. Common, maybe. Common scripts. Yeah. So have you seen if they have the concept of a deck, kind of like our blackjack scene does?
Um, Let me see.
There's a cards manager.
That might be it.
That might be something. Let's see. Canvas.
The old cards manager.
Classic cards manager. Okay, offer. Let's see. Fabs. Bet zone. What's a pay table?
Hello, Dororo. Yeah, I'm streaming, so this is your chance to show everybody how smart you are.
Thank God. I hope some cool recruiters are watching or something. Guys,
My channel is a
hire
hub
me.
for recruiters.
I thought it might be. Yeah, I'll start looking at this cards manager script. See if you can get one of the templates working in a new scene. The deck.
Should I just
Card
load up a
library.
template and then save as?
Good question. Are you loading a prefab or a... Oh, there are scenes in each template. I see.
Yeah.
Just duplicate one of the scenes.
Cool.
You can copy paste it in whatever directory you want. I see. Okay, cool. I'm looking at the example scene now.
Oops.
And video program kit cards. There's cards manager. Yeah, so that's they have like an array of cards, just like in our blackjack scene. Card library. You can pick how many cards get dealt, it looks like. So somewhere in there is probably where you want to finagle with what cards spawn on what conditions.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Get new card. Do you want... Is the cheat mechanic that before the hand is dealt at all, I guess what I'm trying to say is it that the deck is all face cards or that you only get dealt face cards?
You only get dealt face cards. I figured like
Cool.
we'd have two decks, you know, but
Mm-hmm.
that might not be the way it pans out if you can find an alternate.
I think if we just like cache the indexes in the card library of the cards you'd want to be eligible, basically,
Mm-hmm.
then when it goes to this, there's a get new card from the deck function. When it goes in there, it would be like, are we in cheat mode? If yes, then it would pick randomly from just the eligible indexes instead of from the full deck.
I see.
Yeah, but I mean, that's essentially the same. If you wanted to visualize it, then you could have a second card library that we only included the face cards. And then maybe if you wanted to extend that idea later, you would have that deck available.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Okay.
That would be
We can try
cool
something
to
like that.
have.
All right, so I won't push up any scene changes to this demo scene, but I'll fuck around with the... So I don't know if I'm supposed to curse on your channel or not.
Oh no, that's fine.
I'll mess around with the cards manager script and get this second deck going just with the face cards, and then we can figure out where this get new card from the deck function is being called, and like have a flag you can pass in to be like, get me a cheat card or a regular card.
For sure.
Cool.
Sweet.
Cool. Have you found any good... You said you were going to maybe find some placeholder assets to build the first casino. Have you thought about that anymore?
I don't know. I think I don't know. Like art's gonna be our big thing that we need a ton of.
Yeah.
I was thinking of asking Simpleton what he wants to do the most, and then bringing in another artist to build out the other parts.
Whatever is left.
Yeah, because that's all we really need. We have our casino games, and like we have basically now what it the components of a full casino.
Yeah, it's gonna be nuts. I really liked the inventory video you sent last night. That looks great.
Yeah, it's somewhat usable too.
Did you have to get any assets for any of the stuff in there, or did you get all that done yourself?
The assets are all just like uh Unity asset store free stuff.
Yeah, yeah. I like the progress bar. It's cool. And the items is the idea with the items is that you would uh, instead of hitting the cheat button on a game, you'd use an item, and then that would potentially spawn the mini game on your next play or something like that.
Yeah.
Cool.
And before we started talking, I was about to implement this coroutine that like flashes a get ready screen and then implements the mini game.
Oh
All
yeah.
flashy.
Cool. Looking through these cards in card library one at a time to find all the face cards is going to be awesome.
Hell yeah.
See, I think they're going in order, so I think it's like all the twos, then all the threes. So we can probably just like rip the last, what is it, 16 indexes or whatever. Do you want tens?
Yes.
Okay, so tens, jacks, queens, kings, aces. And all suits, right?
Yes.
Okay, so it looks like it's element 32 and after are what we want. I don't think any of these decks have jokers. I don't remember seeing them in our last deck.
Oh no, they don't. And why would we even need one when we got you around?
Yeah. Nice. All right, so that's gonna be.
Hold on. Nice. I'm
You
back.
got the talking to the fam.
Yeah.
Okay. How's everybody doing?
Everybody's solid, I think.
That's great.
Just doing yard work.
Yeah, man. Springtime. Tornado season here again.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Lost another part of a tree yesterday, or the day before, I guess.
Jesus.
Yeah. Crazy. This is annoying. How can I copy that? Maybe I can do. Come on.
Learn to code. Do you go around telling people that?
Yeah, that's really my only job. Is belittling engineers. You call that a while loop? That's what I'll say.
I tell people at McDonald's to learn to code. They're wasting their lives.
Yeah, I see where you're going with that. Yeah.
I should be doing something productive while you do this.
I'm just clicking one at a time, copy pasting cards into this new deck. Making progress. That should be fun. Okay.
Well,
Did you have more work at your new job yesterday?
I did. I fucking decided to finally do my work instead of game dev.
Sometimes you gotta.
Just gotta do enough to get by.
Yeah, it's hard. It's hard to like put it aside during the day job. I've had to figure out how to make that work with my day job.
Working remote is perfect though.
Mm-hmm.
You can just knock out what you have to do and then get to the fun stuff.
That's right. Get to the cheating. Almost got all these cards. Then I should just be able to prefab this deck, and we can drop it into whatever scene you're working from.
Hell yeah.
Kings, queens, jacks, tens. Cool. All right, we got cheat deck. I'll go ahead and what is all that? That should be fine. Yeah, I'll go ahead and prefab these cards. Gotta figure out how this function's being called. Why does that matter?
You got some wonky code.
Yeah, they're split on whether, like, they do different logic depending on if it's the first hand of the game or other hands. Not sure why. Maybe it's just a first hand of the play, so like before you start swapping cards out. I'm not sure. Let's say you cheat a hand and you get dealt your 5, and then you swap cards out. During that same hand, do you want any cards you swap out to also be face cards, or should it go back to the normal deck if you choose to swap any?
It should keep giving you face cards.
Okay, cool. So it'll just be like for the duration of that session.
Yeah.
That one hand full played.
I'm thinking an item will give you like 5 separate hands of face cards.
Okay.
Because one is kind of like a little bit too little for a consumable item.
I understand. Where's this being called? Maybe this is what the button hits. Press action. What the fuck? Okay. I think I got it. Deal button. Okay, so this is the button script. This is what happens when you press it.
Forgot how to use tweening.
Or if I can override this with an argument. Nope. Where's that being used? Should be alright.
Where am I tweening?
Hello, tweeners.
DG.
Noel's coming down. I said Noel's coming down. I didn't say something weird.
You're always saying weird stuff.
I don't say weird stuff. Don't go starting new rumors about me. I've about made it past the last round.
Oops. Whoops.
Do you want kind of like, I can't remember which game was like this, but cheat to be a button that you press that then deals the hand, or do you want cheat to like set a flag and then when you press the regular deal button, it deals the cheat hand?
That's a good question. I think eventually, I guess cheat should be its own button.
Okay.
Especially now since we're debugging.
Yeah. Well, cards.
Transform.do move. How long ago did I pick up coding? I started doing web dev like a year ago, and then Unity like 6 months ago. Like actually the coding side of Unity.
Okay. Pass that through.
Programming is badass.
Oh yeah. We're a couple of regular bad boys.
It's true.
We're kind of known as the bad boys of the industry, I think. Where are you going? Oh, cool.
This should work.
I believe in you.
Object reference not set to. Okay. Huh?
You working on the slots, or you working on the scene for this?
I'm working on slots.
Nice. So what's next for slots?
Just putting in this little get ready thing, and then once the slots framework guy gets back to me with some extra code, I'm gonna work on the bonus game.
Cool.
And he better get back to me.
Yeah, or else, right?
That was cool, but it was just behind the stuff.
You having Tweenie over there?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hell yeah, brother.
Oh, hell yeah. My typing is annoying you. I'll mute for a minute.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Cool.
There's been like a saw going off outside for most of my stream, so it can't be worse than that. Ooh, that's cool. That's fucking sick.
You got it?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
What happens when I do it again? Oh, it comes from the other side. I gotta reset the position.
All right.
Everybody's coding in here. It's crazy.
Just a bunch of coders, okay? Listen, all we are is a bunch of coders. It's not a big deal.
If you don't believe that, grow up.
That's what I've been saying. All right, and then I just need to reset my cheat deck as well. Okay, I think that's wired up.
Oops.
I'm about to test this bad boy. Second deal button. What are we, crazy? 2 deal buttons.
We've lost it, dude.
Yeah.
They're not gonna pass anti-coding bills. It's just not gonna happen.
Someone's suggesting that.
Yeah. Someone can't wait. It's Steve.
Coding is just too profitable. We gotta get it out of here. Hmm?
Oh,
Yeah.
negative
Wait,
50.
Yeah, I could eat too. Alright. You know where to find me.
Oops. Keep losing at my own minigame.
You're a cheat button. Not a cheat button. Cool. Let's try it. Play a regular game. Deal. Oh, it's already using our existing credit system. It seems like.
Yeah, I believe I did that.
You're some sort of god.
I believe I went into them player prefs.
Deal.
This looks so cool. Get ready.
I lost. I think I lost anyway. Current bet. Yeah, let's bet a little bit more, baby. No, I can only bet $5.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
I need a high rollers room just for me.
me get rid of these for now.
Oh yeah, I won $5. All right, cheat deal. Well, those aren't face cards. All right. What if I... Sons of bees. Okay. I'm not going to say it worked. I wouldn't say that. All right. Cheat hand. Okay. I think that'll do it. So that'll send it here. And that'll send it there.
Let's implement the same thing with free spins.
You've lost your GD mind.
It's true.
I'm playing video poker hard over here, dude.
Shit.
Oh, you ever heard of 2-pair?
Yes.
That's what I just got.
What?
And I'm about to cheat. Here I go. Cheat boy. Oh, that's a full house right there.
Is that with the face cards?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Full house, baby. And then if I go back to a normal deal, I get normal cards. That's cool. If you had the button, yeah, I don't think you would want to do this, but if you had you have to press the deal button like after you select the cards you want to hold. So you could technically like just cheat the second part of the hand if you wanted to. I don't know why you would ever want to do that, but with the button present, you can like pick and choose which deal button you press depending on whether it's like the draw or after the hold.
Mm-hmm.
All right, deal, baby. Oh, I lost. Better cheat.
I'm trying to think of what else we could do, cheating mechanic wise.
2-pair. All right, this works. I can push this up and then walk you through getting it into your scene whenever.
Cool.
Or I can just, if you haven't made a scene yet, I can just copy this scene out that already has it set up.
I made one, but let me just delete it. Yes.
The deal button is a sprite, so I can't change the text on it. So right now it's just an identical button to the right of the existing button. It is the cheat button.
Cool.
Okay, cool. I'll change the name of it so that's more clear.
Cool.
Cool.
That is cool, man.
Cool, man. Okay, I think this is ready. Let me see. Scenes. Do you want to be storing scenes in? I know we have like an assets scenes directory that has some of them, or do you want them like in the game folder? Because I think Blackjack's inside the game folder, right?
I moved Blackjack from there to the scene, so maybe just in scenes.
Yeah, I'll do that then. Video poker kit. Do you know what the licensing is on this asset?
Let me check real quick.
I'm all good with like attribution licenses as long as people aren't expecting money. For a paid asset, it shouldn't have a royalty stipulation.
What is a single entity? It's a standard Unity asset store. Single entity license.
Maybe it just means you can't distribute the paid asset to other developers.
I think so, yeah.
That should be fine. copy the scene? Well, there. I don't know if that or not. Here. Okay, seems fine. Oh. Yes.
Get rid of that.
I don't know why this version of Unity, for me at least, it opens two Unity windows, but one is blank and the other is actually Unity. Does it do that for you?
Yeah, it does do that.
It's weird.
It is super weird.
Okay, video poker scene. Make sure I didn't break anything. Looks fine to me. Boom.
We're ready for release.
We're ready. Let's just go ahead and put it on Steam right now for our early adopters out there.
It's early access. It's not supposed to be finished.
Yeah, it's not supposed to be good. I'm having a hard time. I was talking to you about this yesterday, but finding games to look up on like SteamDB and Steam Spy to get any idea of what the market is for this. I think
Yeah.
people like it in general. I just don't know what expectation to set for sales.
It's super unique, so it's
Yeah.
like difficult. Hey guys, what's a 2D game you've played and liked that isn't huge?
Let me see here.
Dwarf Fortress. Steam Spy. Holy shit, this game, The Tenants, is selling so well. I played it and it's not good.
There's something unsustainable about video game development right now. Like there's this trend for no-name games to blow up and get millions of sales, and sometimes the game is not very good. Like I don't know, there's some like mob mentality about game purchasing right now.
It's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
This game was like The Sims without every aspect of like living. You just decorate a room and there's some really arbitrary ways in which it's like evaluated.
Yeah.
But Steam Spy says it's sold 50,000 to 100,000
Yeah.
copies in 2 days.
I can't remember how they pull their metrics. Another good indicator is number of reviews. I think you can imagine like 5 to 10% of players leaving a review, and then multiply that out. All right, I'm gonna push. If you don't have any, I shouldn't. This is all in a new scene, so it shouldn't conflict with anything you're working on. But I'm gonna push up the video poker stuff.
Cool.
And if you want to try it out, the button on the right, the deal button to the right, is the cheat button. All right, that's pushed.
You're so fast with this stuff. Is it just on master?
Yeah, went straight to master, baby.
Nice. No merge conflicts for once in my life.
I guess if I go to your Twitch channel, I can see you use it.
Yeah.
Tell me if something needs to change.
Yes.
Wow, ads. Great. Don't play for 30 seconds.
Okay, I'll wait.
I build video poker in record time, and this is the thanks I get for watching 30-second Yu-Gi-Oh ad. see you now.
Nice.
Oh yeah, them gizmos, those giant speaker icons look good.
All right, let's. I think the bet buttons are here, but they're fucked up for some reason.
Oh, huh. I didn't notice
Ooh.
that.
Ooh. I like how this version auto holds.
Yeah, that is nice. Let me see if those bet buttons are weird on mine. The bet buttons look good on mine for whatever reason.
That's weird.
Yeah.
This is a good cheat. It pays out so well.
Yeah. And it's not like you're getting a royal flush every hand. Like it's still, yeah, it's not overpowered, I don't think.
It's fairly balanced. Ooh. I love it. It's perfect.
Cool. Use the regular deal sum too to make sure that I didn't fuck up the original deck or anything like that. Seems fine, but just to be sure.
Going for the straight. Shit. It's looking good.
Cool. This is fun. I like playing. Like it reminds me of just like the little Flash games and Windows games I would play back in the day.
Yeah.
It's clicking, baby. Getting that money.
We've made so much progress. It's pretty wild.
This is fun. Yeah, I've never worked on a 2D game. It is definitely enjoyable not having to worry about the VR or multiplayer aspects.
Yeah. Until we add multiplayer.
Yes, until this becomes an MMO.
There's a game, there's one other casino RPG, quote unquote, and it's an MMO. And it's like,
Oh, what was I called? I saw that.
it's the most soulless game I've ever played in my life.
It's like Casino 5 or something. What was the name of it?
I think it's just Casino RPG.
Okay. Oh, this is different than what I saw. What was the one that I saw? Casino multiplayer game.
Will this game be fully voiced? Yeah, but only by me. But no, I don't think it will have voices.
What was the name of this game? I just saw this the other day.
Ooh, 4 of a kind.
Nice.
I can play with this cheat mechanic all day long.
Yeah, it's fun. Search.
Oh shit.
What
Yeah,
did you do?
I got a full house on my first draw. Yeah, this is the cheat where it only deals 10 through aces. So you'd use a consumable item for this. I want to make it so the cheat button pops up like a little overlay with all the cheat items relevant to that machine.
That's a good idea. Yeah, so you're not like swapping in and out of the inventory screen while playing.
Yeah, it's a little annoying.
Do you imagine for like the cheaper or like the first few items you get, there's a chance that the cheat fails when you consume the item or anything like that?
I was thinking the early ones would just be like little tweaks to the frequency of like, for at least a slot machine, little tweaks to the frequency of certain symbols.
Yeah.
So just like little RNG changes that
Got it.
don't necessarily guarantee you a big win, but
Yeah.
are still noticeable. And this cheat was all Jesse's. This wasn't.
The Four Kings is what I saw. The Four Kings Casino and Slots. It's an MMO.
Yeah, I played that a little bit when I was programming Kino, just because
Yeah.
they have video Kino,
Hmm.
and
Any good?
it's I've streamed it too. It's kind of fun,
Cool.
but it's just boilerplate casino stuff.
Yeah. 200 to 500K owners.
And they just have microtransactions too, so it's like
Mm.
they probably make a ton. It's pretty
Yeah.
popular.
I'd prefer to avoid microtransactions, but if you want to get rich, we can do it.
Oh no, there definitely won't be.
I really hate microtransactions.
Yeah, maybe we
But
could.
it's the way though. Like that's how most games are making money now.
Yeah. By the end, we'll probably have some sick ass slots, and we could just make a slots app from it.
Yeah, just port it to mobile and rake it in.
Easy money.
And then we retire.
Yeah, I'm already retired.
Well done. I somehow am not anywhere close to retiring. All right, cool. We got this going. Anything else I should look at right now?
Yes, I have a bug where in the world it doesn't always the player doesn't always end up where they left off when they go back into the world from a machine. They end up in like different positions.
Okay.
I'm saving player prefs of the X position and Y position, but for some reason they don't always get saved.
Okay. Got it. Where do you save the player prefs?
In the autosave script in the world.
Got it.
It's in an on destroy function, which might be the problem. It might not always get called or something.
Okay.
This is fucking sick. I'm gonna add this to our world.
Do it.
Wouldn't hurt to add a jump scare or two. You think so?
That's a great idea.
Just to make sure the player's awake.
I think I see what's up here. Player prefs, like it seems like sometimes it'll actually do the file IO when you call the set functions, but it has an explicit save function as well, where it'll force the write at a given time.
I saw that earlier.
So let me try to just in your player info save data function. Let me just try to tack on a save there. And that should, I would imagine, do it. Do you know if you have any other places that you're trying to set player prefs that would need the save called?
In each individual machine probably, but I can do that if you don't want to do it.
Let's see. I think I can find all references to player prefs.
Opening a new door.
You're crazy.
Oh yeah, we need to make it so the credits are saved upon exit for video poker. I can do that though, I think.
Okay.
I think that's within my skill set.
I'd say so. Let me go in and out of a few rooms here and just see what the position does, and then I'll push this one save, and you can kind of go do any other saving you need to. You may want to like abstract the player pref stuff, and then just have like one shared interface that all the games use for player prefs. Might save you some trouble from having to remember where all you're accessing it. All right, I go in, I go out, I go in, I go out. Worked on those two doors.
It seems like
Now,
1 in 7 didn't work before.
what are 1 and 7?
I mean, like 1 in 7 times.
Oh, got it. Yeah, it wasn't super consistent.
Yeah.
All right, I'll just like run back through them in the opposite direction. Let's see. Oh, no, it just did it to me.
Gotta do it to him.
You really do. All right. Why? Don't destroy and load.
Boom.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
This game's gonna be so fucking good.
It's gonna be effed how good it is.
How hard do you think it would be to have poker?
I really don't know. We would have to look up. I'm sure there's AI that exists that evaluates the strength of a hand.
Yeah.
We would have to figure that out, I think.
Yeah, there unfortunately are no frameworks on Unity Store.
Yeah.
On this store of Unity.
The Unity Store, aka the Store of Unity. The preferences disk, yes. Anything else here?
What does the menu button do? Oh, okay. Perfect. How's it going with Paker? Paker is finally being realized. Application.load level? Don't I want scene manager?
I think one of those two is deprecated. I don't know which one.
I think it might be application load level.
Yeah, that sounds right to me. Okay. Do you remember where you load the player position from the prefs?
In the player script, I believe.
Okay.
In the start.
Got it.
I do believe. I miss Entropia. I'll never be able to outdo that one Entropia stream, so I can't do it again. Have you ever heard of Entropia Online or Entropia Universe?
No, what's that?
It's like this crazy MMO with like its own economy where people, they all are trying to get rich. And I streamed it and I ran into this guy and he told me that more women play Entropia Universe than any other game, which I don't think is true.
Yeah, that seems off. A little kiwi.
Do your cat and dog get along?
They get along. They like bicker with each other a lot, but they get along pretty well.
Hell yeah.
They always fuck with each other. It's pretty funny.
Last level. Wait, maybe it should just be world.
Player what?
This is kind of like Ready Player One. I'm like Parzival.
And I'm not sure I'm following.
And you're the guy who made the universe who died. And
Halliday.
yeah,
I'm Halliday. I'm not quite sure how it fits the situation.
I'm trying to decode your mysteries, your puzzles.
I haven't given you any puzzles.
I don't know. I ask you for help, and then you give me some advice.
Okay. Yeah, there's a piece of that there. Yeah, that's true. Who's H in this situation? Your best friend?
Chat, my stream chat.
Wow, like collectively.
Yeah.
That's really nice of you to say. Let's see if this does it. X and Y, X and Y. I just got some logs for whatever it saves and loads, so I can hopefully try to see if there's something missing here. All right, loaded in front of green.
Ooh.
I go in pink.
Wait, what happened to the menu button?
Back out. Okay, yeah, it didn't. It's not calling that save in some cases.
Freaking weird. And maybe it's the on destroy.
I think so.
Should be a better way to do it, probably.
Yeah, you could explicitly call this every time you go into a game. That's more to keep up with. Let's see, what other scene change? No, I don't see anything like that.
Scripts.
Yeah, I think part of what's wrong with on destroy as well is that by the time this script hits its on destroy, it could have already destroyed the player. And you're relying on that player to exist to get the position. Unity's, it doesn't make a lot of promises about what order it executes things in.
I see. Yeah, I thought it would be the order in the hierarchy, but that might not be the case.
Yeah, it's like
that's the case.
Sometimes that will be the case. Sometimes that won't be the case. You can be explicit. There's a project setting, script order execution, like if you really need something to run before something else. But it's typically for initialization, or like updates that are dependent on each other.
See.
But it's not. Yeah, it's not safe really either way. Okay, where else can we do this? Might be able to do it in on disable because player would still exist. I don't know if on disable is getting called here though. Let's see.
So my balance should be 9410.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
Yeah,
Money is
right.
saved. I'm not going to code with leather gloves on. The chat recommended that I code with leather gloves on.
I really like that idea.
The fingerless gloves.
Fingerless. Yeah, like Duggar's classic look. That was a good era of Duggar's style.
Code with sunglasses on.
Ooh, yeah.
In all caps.
The entire code base is all caps. That will be miserable.
Code with gold armor. That'd be pretty cool. So we pretty much have a casino game.
Yep.
Just none of the assets for it. And no, it's pretty much a casino game. God damn.
GD.
That's 5 different casino games.
Yeah, it's awesome. I'm gonna do this. I guess we could call it from your, like, door trigger code. Okay, let's see. And scene loader. Yeah, you could do it right before. I can add this and see if it works, but right before you load the new scene is when you could save. Let's try it.
I don't really I'm not really too versed with the event stuff, but could you like subscribe to a scene change event or something?
You can. Scene Manager has some events you can subscribe to, but you have to. We'll probably find that like not every change from one scene to the next scene is the time we want to save position.
Mm-hmm.
So it may be like too generic.
I see.
To do it that way. But yeah, that's a fine solution. You just kind of have to keep track of it. For now, I can throw it in scene loader if you want.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
And then do. Okay, and each game has a scene loader, right? I guess though that you do, yeah, you're gonna have to go call that player prefs.save and all your different little places you can leave your game scenes and stuff too. Maybe it is better to always save when the scene loads.
Yeah. Free spins.
You're crazy. So since your player info script persists between the world scene and the game scenes, we can probably do it in that script. We can do the event-based stuff.
Cool. Yeah, I figure
We'll try it.
That might be the spot.
Listen, we'll try it.
Player info probably isn't the best name for that thing, but it's no big deal. I think I'll add a store in either tonight or tomorrow.
Cool.
To buy the cheat objects. Actually, do I want to do that? Because, yeah, I do.
You're trying to think about if you'd rather them be purchased or earned?
Or crafted.
Oh, yeah. That could be interesting.
Probably have to do some tutorials for it.
Probably. Yeah, let me try to add this save data function you have in player info to the scene change.
Free spins. See what's going on here. Hey, who in chat is gonna buy this game?
That's the real question, man.
If one of you didn't buy the game, it'd be kind of fucked up. You watched it be made.
You can Venmo me directly now as a prepay. I'm going to spend it all on in-game credits. All right, I think...
Where's this bracket coming from?
Hopefully this will work.
Yeah, it's going to be on Steam.
Definitely. We can go ahead and pay the $100 application fee at some point if you want.
Yeah, it'd be cool.
Equals...
I don't know if I'm too wed to the current working title, though.
Sure.
Gotta figure out a real name. I'll get it in winter sales. Alright, you're banned.
Get out.
We're actually increasing the price in winter sales.
I like that idea a lot.
I'll family share it? Who in your family is gonna have it? Is the story good? No, it's bad.
I guess something helper for this. Let's see.
I could probably just copy this.
Oh, yeah.
When's the hat update? What do you mean?
Oh, yeah. Every game needs cosmetics.
Been thinking
Got it.
about that for this game. I don't think it will launch with like clothing.
Yeah. Hmm. Player info doesn't have a hold on the actual avatar, does it?
I don't think so.
I'll need that to pull the position from. Let's see how I can find it. World. Hello, world.
Hey Hunter, thank you for subbing. Will this have Prime gaming benefits? Yes. We're in cahoots with Amazon. At what point do you think you send shit to publishers and be like, hey, look at this?
Uh, I I have a company that I worked with a little bit for Snapshot that can help us figure that out. It needs to be fairly playable. Like
Yeah.
the you need to be able to basically have all of the different feelings that you're going to be having in the, that's a weird way of saying it, but you need to be able to like fully understand what the end experience is going to be.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean the game has to be done. It just needs to be like a small chunk of it needs to have like an end to end playable experience.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense.
Mm-hmm. I think that'll work.
Does Chucklefish still exist? I know they had a controversy.
I don't know. That's a crazy name, though. That's why I was laughing.
Chucklefish? Yeah, they still exist.
All right, let's see here. Okay.
Hey, what up, Jadinklage?
That's a good name, too.
It's just the names you deal with when you're in my chat. Ooh.
That's right.
It
Oh,
works.
that look good.
Yeah.
I like that.
I'm a tweening expert now.
I would say so, yeah.
That was a big one. Why is it 15 though? Yeah, you can buy this game with Dogecoin. Okay, did that. Is there a Unity tutorial on like a math game? Ooh, there is. So when are we abandoning Unity and developing this game in Godot?
Yeah, we should get really far in development and then switch engines. Typically, the better way to do it. All right, I think this might do what we want it to do. So basically, on all scene changes, I'll save the player info stuff, and then only when we're changing from the world scene to another scene is when we'll save the player positions.
Cool.
I think that makes sense.
Yeah.
All right, so let me do what I was doing to break it. Go in here.
Damn, that's cool. It adds some real hype. But did it stop the big wind detection? I think it did. How though? Yep. What the fuck? Where did I put big wins?
Weird. What the fuck? Debugger doesn't work. Rude.
Quite rude.
Mm-hmm. Son of a bee.
Charlie, did you watch the Snyder Cut? No, I didn't. Too long.
I watched it. It was extremely long.
How was it?
It was fine. I never watched the original. So for me, it was just 4 hours of a news story that I didn't care too much about.
Hold on. Screen off. I gotta order lunch.
Hmm.
Order received.
No, this doesn't seem reliable either. This function will get called sometimes after the current scene's already unloaded, so the player's gone again. Which is rude.
It is quite rude.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna have to do is save when like explicitly when we call load scene before we call load scene to load another scene.
I see.
Scene loader. Sorry, bub.
It's okay. I'm about to freak out, but
Yeah, I thought you might.
oh, here we go. Here's the big win display. How come this isn't working now? What does DC stand for? Dumb company? Because I can't handle any more dumb movies out of their studio.
Nice.
That should be a big win. I don't understand why this isn't working.
Not big enough.
Should be ×5. Save. I think that might be it.
Get it.
That's not a big one.
Ooh.
That should be a big one. Oh.
That looks like a big one.
If amount is greater than... Why did this just suddenly stop working?
Check your Git changes. See what changed on you.
I was in here last night, so that's probably when it got fucked up. Maybe if I do... Wait, why do I save here? Doesn't make any sense. That's a big one. Big one text. Oh, I'm getting a... Oh. Whoa.
Oh.
Oh. Get symbol from pool. Wait. What up, hippo crap?
Hippo crap.
Nope, never mind.
You're crazy, dude.
Hey, hippo crap, do you know why my big win display isn't working? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so it does get triggered. We are in there. It's not getting set to active. No, I don't think I'm gonna play any Game of Thrones slots right now. You ever play Game of Thrones slots?
I have not. Sounds fun.
Oh, it's because the font is missing. What the fuck? How did that happen? That's a dumb mistake. Where'd that font go? Gold, lots of gold.
All right, I got this working.
Oh, hell yeah.
So right now in your scene loader.cs, which is in the world scene, that is where it's calling a new function in player info called save on scene change. So you could extend using that save on scene change function, similar to how you're using save data, if you wanted to do it from the other scenes.
So wait, what do I call?
Yep, it's so right now, like you call player info.instance.save data in some places.
Yeah.
This is player info.instance.save on scene change, and all it does is save the position and then call that save data function. So you'll get like the position stuff plus the like credits and the other things you were saving in the other function.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. So I'll push this up and it'll be in one commit if you want to look at it and see where the changes are.
Hell yeah. That's what I'm freaking talking about.
Oh yeah.
I know, Hippocrap. I should change. I should have it be a more on theme. Big win.
Hell yeah. Dang, 12K, baby. You almost have as many credits as me.
You've been cheating.
Oh yeah, I cheated hard on Keno. Real hard. Alright, that's pushed up.
Awesome.
Just script changes, so no scene changes there.
Oh my god, I'm getting.
I like the animation for the cards. Cool.
Yeah. I took a little time to get the flip down, but I got it.
Looks good. Alright, 133, 170. I want to see my roulette wheel spin.
It's dope.
I'm putting 1,000 on 17, baby. Zero. Oh, nice. I like that you made it spin on the inner circle of the wheel.
Yeah. Just so you can see the number.
Yeah. That looks good.
Ooh, I won.
Nice.
These are all coming along.
Mm-hmm. What's the cheat mechanic in roulette, or do we have one yet?
I haven't nailed that down yet.
All good. All right, come on, big 34. $16. It doesn't seem like spin deducts from your credits.
Does it not?
I don't think so. I'm pressing spin and my credit. Oh, maybe it's. Okay, I think it's deducting after the spin completes.
Yeah, that sounds right.
So that makes sense. I can't believe I haven't hit 34 yet. All right, let's see. Oh, yeah. Right click to take bets away. That's great.
Yeah, I also made it so it adjusts the sorting layer so you can pick chips a different color and put them on top of each other without them looking weird.
Oh, I love that. That's cool.
You can really stack them up.
Yeah. All right, I'm betting 1775 on red. Let's go. Black. Freaking jerks. Somehow I got my bet to go in the negatives.
Oh.
My bet is now negative 1,025.
Uh-oh.
Or maybe it double counted some chips or something when I started taking them away. I just put a bunch of chips of different colors on one and then removed them all, and that's. Or I think then I played a bet and then I removed them all, and then I went in the negative.
Ah, I see. Because it's just deducting the amount of the last chip.
Okay. Yeah.
Wait, so if I put a bunch of 10s and then a 100. Yeah.
It's staying, yeah, the bet's staying above zero even though you removed all the chips. No, yeah, there you go.
Whoopsies.
All right, 5,000 on red. Let's go.
I'm gonna bet negative 640 on one.
Black again. I'm losing all my money. I better
Oh
just
yeah,
go
you
up
can't spin in the
10K.
negatives.
I'm going up to 10K on red. Last bet.
Oh shit.
To the sky. Stack them to the sky. Let's go.
You want to go to Vegas post-pandemic, post-vaccination?
That'd be fun, yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna
There
go.
it is. I want.
I was gonna go in like June.
Yeah, that would be fun. Damn it. Black again. All right.
I had
Last
a few
$10,000 then
things
for
to fix.
real. Rolled black like 5 times in a row.
Should look especially good once we get a pixel art wheel too.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, shouldn't I have won that?
I think there's something amiss here. I don't know if the colors match between the board and the wheel on all numbers.
Let me check my colliders.
Yeah, so 9 is black on the board, but is
Oh,
red on the wheel.
I've got it backwards. My red and my black are the values I swapped.
Oh, okay.
Which is fine because I need to change the board anyway. Because typically roulette boards aren't like, they don't just alternate red and black like this.
I just lost $50,000 very quickly. I'm gonna stop playing right now. Oh man, when I went back to the world scene, it didn't update my credits. I guess that's maybe another save load thing.
Yeah, on roulette.
Okay, cool. I gotta bounce for a bit, man.
Alrighty. Thanks for the help.
Yeah, man. Got video poker now.
Yeah.
Great. I just need to start building our casino, running around, getting into trouble.
Yeah. I'm going to do shops tonight and then maybe throw in some more placeholder stuff.
Cool. Sounds good. All right, dude. I'll catch you later.
Alright, later, man. See ya.
See ya.
Alright, guys, I'm going to take a break and eat lunch. Thanks for watching the stream. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. Always keep coding. That's what my parting advice. See ya.